Hey, what's up, AMP holder? AMP holder, my friends, I have a very important update for all AMP holder because my brother, the price were very badly decreased now, so therefore the update is very important and very urgent also. My brothers, absolutely, if you check out my previous video, so I will tell you, I will already notify you, my friends, to the price will dumps down. Be ready for risk and don't starting selling. So after this, my friend, absolutely some holder are follow my advice and definitely they are stop selling in their hold, but some holder are starting selling, so therefore they are completely, my friend, in the lost. And definitely if you also, my friend, lost now, so that does not mean, my friends, to you will not earn, you will not get a profit. My brother, every coin will pumps after a dumps. Absolutely, after a dumps, every coin will pump. So therefore, I will notify you, my friends. So I'm 100% sure to upcoming days, my friend. They will give you a profit. So please, if you want to get a profit now, do this what I told you. Otherwise, you will completely lost now. So my brother, some coin were fails down, as you can see here. This chart is clearly show you, my friend. You can see here to this coin where fails down continuously, but some coin, my friends, will moving in zigzag, so therefore I will notify my friends to if they are fails down from like zigzag, definitely it's going to be very easy. But sometime, as you can see here, like that time they are fails down straightly, so absolutely this is very difficult now. Holders, please don't starting selling. Absolutely, I will recommend you, my friends, to in those days if you are just only hold. So I am 100% sure, my friends, to upcoming days they will give you a double profit. See you next time, AMP holder. Please, holders, don't starting selling. And you can see here minus 24 point. My friend, you can see here minus 24 point. I'm sorry for this, my friends. Just and only, as you can see, minus 24.64%. They were decreased now. But here, as you can see here, the highest price. So the highest price is 0.07 USD dollar. But the current price, oh my goodness, it's very bad difference, my friend. You can see here 0.04 USD dollar. I hope, my friends, to upcoming time they will recover this all loss and they will give you a profit. But please, holder, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.